My people, agree to now. Nami Nigerian advisor still on the issue on NSAS, NSWAT. We will talk about NSAS. Some people say there be non-tank governors. Say no, say they like SARS. They like the way SARS they keep people. But still on the protest still dey on. If you know say you not join the protest, join the protest now. End police brutality, end SARS, end bad government. We dey talk about end SARS, but now we don't go further. Not be only end SARS again. End bad politicians, end bad government, pay police well, reduce senators' salary, reduce House of Rep salary, increase the army, increase police. Imagine, senator just come talk, they receive 29 billion or 29 million naira. Imagine. Police when they carry arms, army when they carry arms, they risk their life. They receive 49,000, 50,000. Imagine when you they give them 50,000 and you they use biro, they collect any amount when you feel collect because you they in position to collect and use the money the way you like. It not concern you. Then the people when you put for street when they carry arms, they risk their life, they give them 50,000 naira. They go use the arms, the gun when you give them, they go use and collect anything when they feel collect. They will see as bush allowance. So Buhari, we want new Nigeria. We don't suffer. Imagine now presently for SAT that they sell cement 2,800. Coronavirus that they increase fuel a liter 160. I consider talk about this power issue. Does it mean Nigeria not fit give the citizen light? Since how many years they come? Since when they bomb me, they come. Steady light never did this country. Now the light issue come big pass Nigeria. That they try to tell us. They use the light issue till they do politics. They embezzle our money. All the bad politicians. No one go say they exclude themselves out. La. All of them include for this issue when they talk about. Come Niger Delta, NDDC, their own icon was pass. Before we'll say Muslim, they're not the thief. They're too good, they're not the thief. But now Muslim can't be criminals now. Now Muslim can't be criminals that they do undo. Pastors, talk their own. This corruption, it don't thick. Follow everybody for this country. We need to end them now. We need to end them. Our road that you want to talk about, if you check on self now back of river a day. Back of river now a day. I not be saying a river now road, but it don't turn to river. We not get good road. All the road we read. Now check. Niger Delta when they collect all the resources from the good north. From Benin to Warri, if you pass them. When you reach Ugara, you go trek like 3 to 4 hours with your leg and you dey travel. Abi you dey from Benin, they go Abuja. Road no go let you pass. Since when Buhari became president, he no work for any federal road when I see. Imagine. Who you can't rule like that? You just did the position to the embezzle money or what? When you know they do your duty. Minister of Works, I never see anything one and don't do for Federal Road. Check Sakboba Road to Abraka, no one they walk. All the Federal Road for Niger Delta, no one they walk. Tell me, what we una con the rule? Which senators now can worse pass at the shameful now? Una they pass B when go suit now. Any B one at the pass now, the one we go suit now. The one we not go good to now, like we not go pass now. It dey bad. It dey bad. Everything one they do, they bad. And they tell everybody for this country. We don't they talking since they advise people won't go for advice. But many people know they take them. It does start now. The protest does start. If you not say you not join the protest before, join the protest. Nigeria must good. Join the protest. Nigeria must good. Whether they like them or not, we want new Nigeria. And bad politicians. And police and SARS now. And police brutality. I don't they talk. People they look and say, what are they talk? Are they talk and I see they advise people. I don't believe say they talk things when they bad. Now for the country to be better now we day. So that our children go still enjoy the country. Anything when they talk, you when they wash me, it still affects you. So that the country go good for me and for you, our children. And our children. But the way the country they go now, the next generation go too bad. If people not come out, but people like us, still come and talk. The only thing we will do now to use our mouth talk. Now to use our mouth talk. Imagine you want to talk about a power issue. We know they see light at all. Sometimes 1 week, 2 weeks, no light. But the estimated bill they wait for you. As months end, they bring your bill. Your bill come for the big pass your house rent. Without light at all. The oppression when they this country in Nigeria, I no go fit talk and don't tire me. With the suffer, they smile. Now, we know they talk about NSAS or NSWAP again. Or SWAT again. What will they talk about? Reduce senators' salary. Reduce House of Reps salary. Governor, president reduce their salary. Increase army and police salary. Give work to the youth. Provide work to the youth. Make Nigeria good again. Reduce the price of foodstuff. Make Nigeria good for us to stay. And let everybody when not join the protest. Join this protest and make Nigeria good again. Make Nigeria a great country. Bad politicians must stop. Bad governors must stop. We must fight the fight till the end, till Nigeria good again. My people agree to that. I advise you, Buhari, listen to the cry of your people and do what will they tell you. What will they tell you? Will say you end police brutality, end SARS, end the SWAT one that they talk about, reduce senators' salary, reduce governor salary, including the president, reduce your own salary yourself. All these politicians, their salary, reduce them. Increase army salary, increase police salary so that they know they do all this nonsense when they do. In short, the army, then they try. They know what they do all this nonsense when police they do. But the advice I get to advise, because Nigeria youth, they no go take it easy this time. This generation no go take it easy this time. Nigeria will be good again. I greet you, my brothers and sisters. Join the protest now.